Here's how you can fix when you can't delete voice memo from the iPhone. Let me explain all of the things which might be going on. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, when you go to the voice memos, you can always just swipe left on the voice recording and click on the delete button. Then, of course, you need to pay attention to the recently deleted folder, which you can access as such, and you can delete it from that place as well to make it fully disappear. But I believe that there is still like voice memos showing up which you cannot get rid of, and that could be caused by the synchronization with iCloud. So when you go to these settings and open up your profile and at the top go to iCloud, you can see all of the apps and the services which get synchronized over iCloud. And there is of course going to be the voice memos which can be found in here. And the important part is that you have to manage it properly. You just need to decide if you want to sync it or not, because especially if you have some recordings stored on iCloud or if you have like more devices, for example, iPad with the same account, it might happen that you delete something on the iPhone and then it just gets synced again and, it shows up once again on the iPhone. So, just turn it off if you don't want any influence from the iCloud. But still, if it doesn't work, that it's some kind of like bug in the software, then you can uninstall the app and re-download it from the App Store. But I believe that even better would be to get the latest version of the iOS if you haven't updated in quite some time now. So yeah, just do that and it should reset the app and get it working and functional properly. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to fix the issue for you. Subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.